Hi everybody. As we prepare for our first assembly today, I want to take a couple of minutes to outline how the Bettendorf High School pillars of pride, poise, respect, integrity, determination, and excellence apply to our gathering today. The expectations for self-management for a PEP assembly are a bit different than when we gather in the pack for an assembly, speaker, or presentation. Both environments, however, call for poise. Students are asked to listen attentively to speakers, follow directions, requests, or procedures, and conduct themselves in a dignified manner. You are asked to show respect by being considerate of others and the efforts they put into planning the assembly for you today. We ask you to be attentive and respectful when students or staff are talking during the pep rally. The same behavior is expected when we gather in the pack. As you enter the gym today, the juniors and seniors are on the west or left side bleachers, with the freshmen and sophomores on the east or right side. Please participate in the school fight song, the cheers, and the national anthem. At the beginning of the pep rally, the band will lead us in the Bettendorf fight song. As a school community, everyone stands for the school fight song at pep rallies and athletic competitions, both in the gym and at outside athletic facilities. The words to the song are on the north wall of the gym, and everyone is encouraged to sing along. We will also have the national anthem today. A little-known fact is the 1942 flag code, which calls for everyone to stand, face the flag, and place your right hand over your heart as a sign of respect. The national anthem is played at all athletic events, and proper etiquette calls for removal of hats and a quiet, respectful attentiveness. As a matter of integrity and to avoid distractions, please leave your Chromebooks in your locker and refrain from using devices during the assembly today. Please give your full and respectful attention during the national anthem and to the performers and speakers. The same is true when we gather in the pack for other assemblies. Finally, you can bring determination and excellence to assemblies in the gym or in the pack by fully participating and giving a respectful focus for the duration of the assembly. While today is a celebration assembly in which we can all participate, there will be future assemblies in the pack that may include speakers, performances, and educational opportunities. Understanding the context of the gathering is key to managing yourself with integrity and doing the right things in the right way. Please remember, everyone is asked to remain in the gym or the pack until the end of the assembly and until you are dismissed. We look forward to celebrating our Bettendorf Pride at the assembly today.